I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Locate the Ford Transit battery under the passenger seat or in the engine bay per the owner's manual, because model year and trim vary. Wear eye protection and gloves, ensure the vehicle is off and the key is removed, and set the parking brake. Inspect the old battery label for 12-volt, amp-hour, and cold cranking amps, CCA values, so you can buy a matching replacement. Gather tools: 8mm and 10mm wrenches, a battery strap or carrier, a terminal cleaner, and a baking soda solution for tray cleaning. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal to avoid short circuits and sparks when removing a Ford Transit battery. Loosen clamp bolts with an 8mm or 10mm wrench, remove the hold-down bracket and any vent tube carefully if present. Lift the battery straight up using a battery strap or two-person lift, avoid tipping acid toward terminals, and place the battery on a stable surface. Inspect the tray and terminal clamps for corrosion. Clean the tray with a baking soda and water solution and brush terminals with a terminal cleaner. Place the new 12-volt battery in the tray with the correct orientation, secure the hold-down bracket, and ensure the battery seats flat. Reconnect electrical terminals by attaching the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal to reduce risk of shorting. Snug terminal nuts to secure contacts, and apply a terminal protector spray. Reinstall any vent tube and trim, start the engine and confirm charging voltage between 13.5 and 14.8 volts with a multimeter. Reset radio presets or power window functions if needed, and take the old battery to a recycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.